All right, guys, here's our last unit. In our last unit, we're going to cover a couple of sections in Chapter 9, which is all about unit conversion. So things like the English system where we do feet, yards, inches. Also in the metric system where we talk about meters, kilometers, centimeters, and converting within each system and then converting between the two systems. In Chapter 10, we're going to do a little bit of geometry, a little bit of area, volume, surface area, stuff like that. And then we're going to do a bunch of application problems and how can we use this stuff in real life. Just like the other units, make sure that you go into Canvas underneath the Chapter 9 and 10 module. You notice here that there is a review with a formula sheet. I suggest you print off this formula sheet. It has all the formulas on there. Make sure that you keep that with you as you're looking through the videos and you're doing your homework so that you're comfortable with where everything is at. You can actually use this on your exam, but make sure you know how to use it and where everything is at so that you're comfortable with it and you don't waste time trying to find all of the good formulas. There is the Chapter 9 and 10 notes packet, just like before. You've got the videos for each section along with the completed notes you can look at if you need to. You also, at the bottom of this module, have a really good practice problem worksheet. It has really good extra problems that I've made up that help you kind of do all of it at the same time. A little bit of conversion, a little bit of geometry, multiple step conversions, really good practice problems that I highly suggest that you do throughout or even at the end right before your test to study for your test. You'll see some videos throughout that'll help you with some of those problems and let me know if you need any help with the other problems. Just like before, you'll need to make sure that you submit your completed notes. As you do your notes and watch the video, you'll submit those notes when you're finished with this unit. And then you'll submit your work for your chapter test as you're taking your test. Make sure that you clearly show me all of your work. Especially with some of this conversion stuff, it's really important that you're neat and organized so that I can follow along with what you're doing and that you don't just have an answer. Remember, you won't get credit for just an answer. I need to make sure that I can see clearly all of your different steps in your work and I can make sure to give you all of your credit, okay? On your test, just like before, you can use the formula sheet for all the different conversions. You can use your 1 3x5 card, and then you can use your calculator, okay? All right, hang in there. We're almost done. This is our last unit. Let me know if you need anything throughout, okay?